Hello, everyone. Hello. Welcome. Today we're just gonna be hanging out and working on the website. My name is Will Pye, and I have no previous coding experience. That's not 100% true. I have a little bit, but I don't know how to code. And so we're gonna figure this out together. Figure this out together. So bear with me while I get everything kind of updated here. How's everyone doing today? Doing okay? We're doing good? Long time no see? I know it's been a minute. It's been a minute. I apologize. I really should come around more often, but, you know. Okay. Just getting everything set up. Thank y'all for bearing with me. Control room. Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah, I don't have a way to update everything like automatically, so I have to go through, slowly update. Anyway, I hope y'all are doing well. Once I get this set up, I can see everything. Be good to go. Bear with me, I want to get my chat. I can see y'all good. Excuse me. Okay, we don't need that. Okay. I messed up my window. As you can see, I'm trying to get my windows to work, but it doesn't like it. It doesn't like it. That's fine. That's fine. I finally got it. Okay, so, yeah, hey everybody. Let me show you what I've been working on. So, like I was saying, my name is Will Pye, and I'm trying to get together a website, trying to get together a portfolio. So, working on my first project here, which is a timer website. Let me show you here. Refresh. I've been making some updates. So kind of a basic app. It has where you can sign in. I don't know my login credentials. And create timers. Shows who it's created by, when it's created. Counts down to a time. And then once it's there, it says completed. So working on adding some features, making it a little more friendly. I'd like to add it update where you can add a quick timer. Just anybody can. So yeah, just working on that. This is VS Code, and I've been using Copilot quite a bit because yeah, just don't know what I'm doing and trying to hack something together. So I just did an update here. I'm trying to add a quick timer, which anyone can use. So let me just let me get this pulled up here. This is where I'm logged in. Let's see, I did all these updates. This was talking about when they completed. I didn't update because my deploy failed. Let's see. What failed? Could not resolve QuickTimer from Pages QuickTimer. Okay, so let's look at that QuickTimer. Create timer. I messed it up, didn't I? Where is it trying to go? SRC pages. Create timer. Oh, because it needs to go to. Let's try that. It's gotta work, right? Okay, so we'll give that a minute to push on through. Our building. So yeah, I'm using Netlify and GitHub mainly just because I haven't before. I'm trying to learn new things. So it's a good way to learn things is just to use them. Failed again. Let's go. Let's see. Let's see what the warning is this time. What is the warning this time? I guess you guys can't see the warning here. Rollup failed to resolve import Zeusian. Yeah, I don't understand what any of that means. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Does this stand? Yeah, I feel like maybe this happened. Let's see. Let's Google it. Why not? Yeah, I don't know why I'm Googling it when I could just need to just ask the robot, right? We should know. Yeah, I don't know. No, you're right. I don't know what I'm doing. I kind of just hack this together. I don't know why that would have been. Why is that a problem all of a sudden? Because it wasn't a problem before. It's not a problem before. It was not a problem before. Let me look. This one worked. I don't understand why that changed, and now that's one that we are now having issues with. I think I never updated that file. So, this goes store. Let's not use that. Let's just go right now. And let's go look at our deploy. Let's see. Let me just paste the whole thing in here and see. There. Maybe it's just something I haven't used until now. I'm just gonna do what the robot tells me to do. Seems to be still doing it. It's taking a minute. It's taking a minute, isn't it? I didn't expect it to take that long. I did not expect it to take that long to do it, but it seems to be going. Chugging along. So we'll just give that a minute to see what happens. Let's see what happens to you. This is too long though. Interesting. Alright. Should I do this? It's a trap. There's a trap. It's a trap. It's a trap. So just gonna try to keep this up as long as I can and do this kind of thing, like almost every night if I can. Do 2 hours. If I can do, after work. It's a little hard. I'm a little tired. I think we're good. I think we're ready to try this. Can we try this again? Let's see if that robot knows what he's talking about. Does the robot know what they're talking about? Let's see how our build does. What does our build do? Yeah, just using the free version of Netlify, the free version of Supabase. So that's even how you say it. just to get it up there, and then I have a domain. So, Project 1. And I can at least say I know how to use all those technologies a little bit, right? I think once you upgrade, you get better stuff, but I'm trying to be a little quiet because everyone in the house is sleeping. If they hear me, dang it. It's okay, I'm gonna do this a lot because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, let's just take it back. Default, unexploited by. So I probably didn't do something in app. That really needs to be done. Let's read the details here carefully. I'm sure it has something to do with that, right? The struggle's real, folks. Create time component is not being exported. Yeah, I messed that up, didn't I? I messed up my create timer when I just pasted it over. Okay, let's see. I should be able to go back to GitHub. And browse repository at this point. I'm also learning how to use GitHub. I don't know how to use GitHub. And then is that copy it? Did I do anything, or is this gonna be the same as it always has? Probably the same as it always is. Let's see how my build goes. How's my build going? Starting up. How can your build go? How can your build go? Let's see. Some hype icons, right? That's how we get it going. Get the hype going. No fail, no fail, no fail. That's probably gonna fix it. And the problem is, it kind of took me back, didn't it? I'm just gonna do it when I'm signed in. Okay, and so now let's go. Let's just do this. Just keep it. We're making it too complicated. That's the problem here. Let's go to create timer. And a few quick buttons. And this doesn't always work either. This doesn't always work either. I'd like to add a few quick hit buttons for 2 minute, 1 minute, and 10. So we can fit 5 minutes. So the hard part's going to be adding the like the quick timer, because that's what I really want. It's the quick timer. It's like on the home page. Create quick timer button. That. see if this works. Let's see. Make sure you have quick data commit. I probably do not have that. Let's see how this messes up. Let's see how this works out for us. Well, first step is to make sure our build goes right. So let's make sure our build goes right. I'm hyping for the build. If it goes right. If it goes right. As you can see, I've had quite a few failures today. Let's see how it changed everything. Great quick timer. And it goes na 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 na. Okay, I added some buttons there. Okay, well, they did something. Give me something to figure out, right? So, this probably has something to do with this. So it's already, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. Let's see. So quick timer and timer. Why does it say? Button. Yeah, as y'all can see, I know very little. I'm trying. This shoot this by minute and click this way like 2 minutes. Oh, pretty. Are you sure about that? Okay. I'm not sure I follow the robot so much on that one, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm getting pretty tired. Got a long day at work and a long day tomorrow. Sync changes. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, building, 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 building. Let's see what you did. Okay, I mean, it's not wrong, right? Not quite. So, I mean, I think the quick timer piece works. But I need a form, like a form that people fill out when they click this. Pops up this. Right. But it does the quick timer version. Hey, so maybe something to work on for tomorrow. You know what I mean? But it's coming along. Stuff's happening, right? That's all I can do with the project is try to make stuff happen. What if I sign out? Can I still go to create? Still let me create a timer. Go now. You need to be signed in to create a timer. So maybe I'll do this as like a saved timer, and then after that. Anyways. So it's a project. Something to work on. Also have a project document that I'm working on, so kind of like requirements for this project. So I'll be posting that tomorrow probably. Finish it up. And then I also kind of want to start a live stream checklist. So visit the website. Let's see. some notes for myself for next stream, just so I'm a little bit better prepared for next time. But yeah, let's see, with that quick timer stuff though. So this is what gives me the time. I kind of need to copy this. Copy this, but instead of feeding it into instead of doing all of this, I just feed it that function create timer. Just thinking here, kind of thinking. See, this is the problem with not knowing what you're doing. Because if I wanted to copy this, but instead yeah, so that's the quick timer stuff. Okay, that makes sense. So on submit, handle submit. I don't know about that. I'm not sure. Gonna change this to feed data to quick timers there. Okay, I have an idea. We're gonna do a new file. Create quick timer .tsx. Okay. We're gonna put all this junk in there. Right. We're gonna do this. Yeah, I forgot password. That was fun. Let's do create quick timer. Create quick timer. Import create quick. Great. Save. Click on create quick timer. Go to the create quick timer page instead. Yeah, that's kind of what I want to do. Alright, let's see if I probably just messed up everything pretty bad, but let's see. Let's see if I created any positive list there. We'll probably call it after that. I'm getting kind of sleepy. We'll call it after that. This is gonna work for us though. This is gonna be good. This will be good. This is gonna work out for us. This will work out for us. I hope. Alright, let's see. Let's see what you did. Let's see what you did. Okay. So that goes to that. Why is it blank? It's just blank. Yeah, I don't know, y'all. Let's see, is it returning anything? Just blank? Nothing? I was expecting something, right? I wasn't expecting nothing. That's interesting. Let's see. Because I don't need that stuff. Yeah, if I stare at it long enough, it'll eventually come. spelled correctly. I'll just have to stare at it. Create quick timer. Why doesn't it return that? Create quick timer. Is that where we're going? Create quick timer. I just don't know enough. Let's ask the robot gods. Why does it show blank page? And I go to create timer. Maybe it'll know. Adapt the root component name and match full name. See what it's saying. Well, that's kind of what I did. I got that going for us, right? Why am I looking at this so small? I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this. If this doesn't work, I am going to bed. I gotta go to bed. If this doesn't work, it's obvious I'm having trouble because of my lack of energy. Let's see what you did. At least our builds aren't failing anymore. That was really rough. That was a little rough. Okay. Hey, check it out. Check it out. Okay, probably need to make the buttons disappear to click it. But that's progress. We're getting places. It's happening. We are making progress. Not perfect, but it's progress. Okay. Well, guys, I've been on for about an hour, so I'm gonna ease into this. I want to do 2 hours a day. That's my end goal. 2 hours a day. Just to kind of force myself. Really make myself stick to a schedule make updates every night. If I can just make a little update every night. Just make a little update every night. We'll get there. Anyway, appreciate all y'all coming in. Maybe tomorrow, I don't know. See how I feel. See how the family does. I'm trying to post some videos to YouTube. To make some dumb stuff. I like to wear the mask and do the stupid like TikTok trends, because a lot of them don't really work out in the mask as well. It's kind of like dumb humor, I guess. But it should be fun. It should be fun. And I'm trying to get a new job, something that isn't so soul draining. I would like to have more energy to do things outside of just the day-to-day job, you know? It'd be nice to be able to work on this stuff kind of more often. Work on this stuff all day would be fun. Maybe I need to take a week off and just do that. Take a week off and try to stream 8 hours a day and work on it 8 hours a day and get a couple things going. Because after this, definitely want to get another project going. I feel like, for portfolio, definitely need 3 or 4 things to show off. I think this will be good for showing off, an app that you can log into, have an account, have stuff that you add to your account. I'll get all the features working better, the buttons and everything. We'll figure all that out. Just like MVP, right? Minimum viable product. Get that out. Make it look a little better, a little more professional, and then we'll call it good. We'll call it Project 1. And then for my next project, I kind of figure out like what I want to show off, what skill I want to show off. So I'm thinking more something maybe like a simple game. I've always wanted to make this LlamaBots game where you create an army of LlamaBots that go out and fight other LlamaBots, but kind of on an automated basis. So you're really just focusing on creating the best bots and things like that. So that'll probably be the next project. Maybe. Just keep writing to the website. The writing helps me personally. It's more of a personal thing that I do just to figure out what I want to do and where I'm going, that kind of thing. But, yeah. So if you have a good idea for what would be an impressive project, so if you're like a hiring manager out there and what you would want to see, gonna try to use some different technologies and things like that. Like in this one, I'm using TypeScript and Supabase and Netlify and learning those technologies. So it's been pretty good. It's been pretty good as far as that goes. I feel like that'll be good for the resume. At least say I know what those things are. Getting to use GitHub. pretty new to GitHub. Still learning the ropes when it comes to GitHub. I don't know how. Let's see. Look at my profile. So, as you can see, I'm brand new. And I have a lot of contributions, but it's because I have to test and retest and try things because I don't know what I'm doing. So I post it and then try something else, post it, try something else. But, I'm learning to use that, getting that set up. I don't think anybody takes you seriously unless you have one of these going. I've seen the Reddit. I've watched the Reddit. I know what's going on. But, alright, everybody. Well, it was fun. I'm glad y'all joined. I appreciate it. Everyone have a wonderful night. I'll try to be back tomorrow, and we'll kind of do the same thing. Do the same thing tomorrow. Get it going. Keep working at it. Y'all have